In a place where all are blind,
अच्छा
there is king also is blind.
अच्छा
That place one person is coming with eyesight and he is trying to tell them what you are telling everything is wrong, but nobody is understanding that.
हाँ
So
हाँ
like that they are giving. And that guy also gets blind and again he recovers his eyesight.
अच्छा
So like that one Guru film is there in Malayalam. So that director only prepared this thing, Rajiv Anchal.
अच्छा he only prepared this.
Prepared this.
Very
And
good.
that film was nominated for Oscar also.
Oh
So
great
such a
great great great. So
And that choreography, all things were very cinematic.
अच्छा अच्छा. So this menu is also मतलब very this is jungle or
Everywhere it is this thing, mountain area, actually part of Western Ghats.
अच्छा अच्छा it is all part of Western Ghats.
If you have time, you can go to one place more called Tenmala. There is one Palarvi waterfall also.
अच्छा Palarvi waterfall. It is how much distance it is?
It will be from here, 1 hour distance from here.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
So you are staying in Trivandrum only, no?
I am staying in Ashtamudi.
Ashtamudi.
It is Kollam.
Kollam area.
Yeah yeah.
So from there it will be like 2 or 2 and
60 kilometers.
60 kilometers.
Tiruvannamalai is 60 kilometers.
60 kilometers.
Anyway, I'm going to be having a flight tomorrow only. Tomorrow at
Just I will just show you the now the allowing to bath and all is very lesser, but
Achha.
that view is very good. Already we just went today.
Oh, great. It's a quite a good photo. Amount of water.
But this is from the viewpoint kept there. When water falls to this thing, we can see this thing happening. Rainbow shade also is coming here.
Correct.
That's a very beautiful view there. There are a lot of monkeys are there. So like that it is that view is there.
Tomorrow I can plan it. When I
If you have time, it is from 10 to 5. So you will have to plan accordingly. Early morning you complete.
I will be traveling there at temple.
Catch a taxi directly to there. So you will get dropped at Tenmala. That there they have ecotourism. So ecotourism they have some adventure activities. In that zip line is blocked and that one plastic wheel inside that you can run. That thing is blocked. And then one valley-like thing they have prepared with metal stairs and all. You can walk through the trees.
Oh,
so that halfway only now it is allowing. So then boating, all those things.
Achha, all activities are there.
Then one leisure room, another place also is there. So there you can go and have some fun things and all. So
Correct. So that's
the ecotourism place you have to pay some 614. It will cover all the things. And individually, if you are taking, it will be charging more.
Achha, okay.
They offer some 614 bulk rate for almost all things. So 4 to 5 hours you can spend there itself.
It is a combo of many events that you can do.
So there is one dinosaur park like thing is also there. So if kids and all is there, it will be good for them. Otherwise, we can just have for fun. We can go there, have some snacks, like that. Then one this butterfly garden. Is all those things in this eco.
That's great.
And this leisure portion, I think that is for food and dining and all other entertainment things. That water presently is less because of low rainfalls nowadays. First week of June it was very great rainfall, but now the rainfalls have came down. So this water flow also came down so little bit, but we can have a good bath and all things.
All
we can
things
prepare for
are
a small area. Not much depth it is there. Max to max up to stomach level. Yeah. Small place only, but everybody are enjoying. One by one, everybody are enjoying.
നീ എന്നെ അനങ്ങാതിരിക്കുമോനെ കഷ്ടമുണ്ട്.
I have gone to Vaishnav Devi temple.
Yeah, Vaishnav Devi, there is a proper ropeway.
Proper ropeway.
And when you go above, then Vaishnav Devi, there is a Bhairanath, right?
Yeah.
When you went to Bhairanath, there is a proper ropeway.
Proper ropeway.
Right.
I have came to north of North Indian places. For part of pilgrimage tour and all.
Yeah, we have to do right.
കാലി
I have came
തട്ടാതാ
to Kashi,
പേടിപ്പിക്കാനായിട്ടാ
Delhi, Uttarakhand, Haridwar.
Acha.
This thing. Badri as well, I have
Haridwar,
to go.
your water speed is very high.
Very high.
When you go to Harki Pori, right? When you go to Harki Pori, just do nothing, just step aside your food and just keep it there in the water. You will feel.
And I saw people swimming below the bridge, hanging on that rope.
Correct. That
The
chain.
chain is there. They are holding that chain and sometimes they leave the chain and catch the next chain.
So what the chain is actually so that if someone
Falls.
by mistake falls, so he has something to catch.
Catch it.
Because the speed is
But
so high.
because of that speed, if they are miss out to catch, then you think,
Correct. They are gone.
Ah.
In the backs, they are trying to keep them safe. But,
Yeah.
but the speed is so high, so that makes it more unsafe. If the speed is still there, still there are more chances to come at the bottom.
Yeah.
So that's the
But actually there should be some mesh-like thing.
Correct.
Which
To
can
avoid
protect them.
people to go.
People avoid going outside. Instead of chain, it will be better. But I think they are not doing that because if something got stuck inside, then all things will keep stucking on that waste or anything. People
Agreed.
put that, it will get stuck. Maybe that reason they are not
The cleaning activity will be very.
very difficult.
So
Kerala also we are facing same issue. Shabarimala we have one Pampar river.
Correct.
What happens is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu people comes there. So what they do after bathing they leave their clothes there and they leave in Pampa. So it is getting accumulated there. They think like it is a ritual. Actually there is no such ritual.
Acha, the thing I like is ritual. That's why
They
everyone
treat
must be
like
following it.
ritual. Somebody made a mistake.
Acha.
He left. So everybody thought it is a ritual.
Arre.
They continued it.
That's also difficult. That's the issue. Some people do one thing, everybody just follows it. You're going to Rishikesh?
Rishikesh I went.
Rishikesh
and Haridwar I visited.
Rishikesh, there is a event of boat rafting.
That I have not.
You should do. That's a one-time
We
experience.
are planning to go once again because now Ayodhya is also ready. So Ayodhya and Haridwar we have to club together.
Correct. That would
So
be a
another
good
place I want to go is that Prayag.
Prayagraj, right?
Yeah.
Where the Ganga and Yamuna.
Yamuna met
Sangam.
Triveni Sangam.
It is a very pure place that is very divine.
We follow Vedavyasa actually. This Swamiji is there. We are based at Kachi Mata actually.
Acha.
So our first Swamiji was given Diksha there only.
Oh, great.
So he became Swamiji from there. So now 21st Swamiji is there. So that Swamiji also doing some prata and other things there. So I'm planning to come there once. Anytime once you do that time we plan to come.
Oh, great. When you visited last time, Kashi?
Kashi was long back. I think in 1990 or so.
You should visit now because now it has become more. It has become very developed, very high.
That time it was fully muddy and
Correct. This time you would correct. This time you would not find that there is a clear way, proper way, and
everything that improvement.
after the